Hey, it's day two. It's August the 7th. And I just wanted to let you know a little bit about my daily routines. And so, my first water that I release, which is the most important, I believe, it has the most of your nutrients and your stem cells and those things which replenish themselves within your body. And so I make sure that I drink that. Without a doubt, even when I'm not fasting, I always have that first cup every morning, and then from that, I do a process where I drink through the nose. I have to work on that one so that you can see me do that because it will be, of course, over the sink in the bathtub. Over the sink in the bathroom. How about that? And so I usually do it, just cup it in my hand and sniff it up my nose like that. And I use the glass, the jar sometimes as well. The jar here, I'll use that as well sometimes to, just drink it like that. Again, it's a little messy, so I'm going to wait and do that on another day. But I did want to let you know that I not only drink my urine throughout the day, I bathe with it, and if I shower and use a soap, I will make sure I put the urine over my body. Just pour it from my head down and just let it saturate my body and let it air dry. So I'm not putting it on and then rubbing it off, but just putting it on. And sometimes I'll just rub it in my head. It's a very good moisturizer for the skin, and so you can put it over your face. You can put it in your hair. So excellent hair conditioning as well. And I know a lot of people that have regrown their hair as a result of using the urine in as a conditioner in their hair. You see, I don't have any, so and I'm not trying to grow mine back, but it does grow pretty fast. But anyway, that's another subject for another day, right? And so, what I wanted to also share with you today was about the process that I use for my eyes. So remember yesterday I was telling you about using the eye cup. And so that's what this is, right? You can purchase it online or at any store in the pharmacy department. And so I would basically, make sure you can see that, just pour a little in the cup like that and then put it over my eye and just hold my head back and squish my eye around, let my eyeball just roll all around, up, down, sideways, back and forth. Blink a couple of times so that that's getting in to my eye. And so that's how I do that. Or another process which you can use is an eyedropper. So, you can find these as well. You see I still have a little on my eye, which is fine. So with the eyedropper, you would take it and just put 1, 2, 3, 4 drops in your eye. And it's the same principle. So whichever works out better for you is what you can do. For me, I'll do both, but primarily I use the cup because for me, I don't know, I just like the idea of just holding it there and it feel like it's rinsing it out. And you'll start, once you drink the urine by your mouth, and then drink it through your nostrils, and then do the eyes. And remember, when you're drinking it through the nostrils, you want to hold your head over to that side and then over to the other side so that that urine can just get all up in the eye socket. You're going to find yourself really eliminating a lot of mucus from out of your body. And it's amazing. It's just amazing to me how much of it comes up. And so this is day 2, and I'm really excited about today. I'm excited about what's happening. My energy is already picking up, and that's one of the most amazing things about doing this urine water fast is that my energy just soars. And so it's a urine water fast because my practice is some days to start off with 24 to 32 ounces of well water or purified water, the best water that I can put my hands on. And then from there, I'm drinking all the urine that I pass up until about 5, 6, 7 o'clock, because you'll find that it just keeps recycling, just keep recycling. And so you don't want to go too far into the evening where you're up all night urinating. And so do what's right for your body. This is not an instructional kind of video. I'm just sharing with you what I experience and the joys that I get out of cleansing my body, resetting my immune system, and resetting and my body functions, just everything, and allowing my body just to rest from consuming any type of a solid food. So thank you for being with me today. It is day 2, and I look forward, of course, to sharing with you again. I have no idea how long this is going, so I'm going to put that out there first, because a disclaimer, I think, is what they call it. But I am excited. I'm excited to be doing this, to be cleansing my body. And you'll be able to see every day things changing a little bit, like maybe this is getting a little bit lighter or whatever. You'll figure it out and let me know. I love you, and thanks for watching.